Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Shukla, ICT instructor, Cambridge International School, Thesua. How's you all? Okay, as we know about the epidemic COVID-19, so it's better to stay home and stay safe. We are here to serve you with the all best possible methods, and today I am here to cover up the topic for grade 8 ICT, and the topic is about networking. So let's get started with chapter 1, networking. Chapter 1, computer networking. Computer network. Before we start the computer network, let's understand the term network means. Network means a group or a collection of anything. Anything means a group of students, a group of banks, a group of rivers, a group of canals, the network of bridges. Each and everything is considered as the network. Whereas in computer network, a computer network consists of two or more computers that are linked together with wires, without wires, for the purpose of sharing data and resources. Now, let's move on to the advantages of computer networking. That what are the benefits, what are the pros of computer network, that why we people are preferring network rather than working with the standalone computers. So, here are few advantages. The first one is like file management. Like network offers a quick, easy and reliable way to share the files directly instead of using a disk or pen drive to carry the files from one computer to another. It's better to use network system. Second is like resource sharing. Like resources on one computer can be accessed by other computers if the computer is in a network. Third is like cost saving on hardware and software. Like if one computer in a network have printer attached with them, then rest of the computers can use the same printer if they are in a network. In terms, it saves a lot of cost. Now let's have a look on the types of networking. There are many types of networking available in the real world like LAN, MAN, PAN, WAN, CAN, SAN. But we'll start with the basic types of networking. The types are like LAN, local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, and WAN, wide area network. Let's begin with the very first area of network, which is local area network. This area of network is also considered as the smallest area network, whereas in this, computers are combined together in a network in a small geographical area, and most LANs are confined into a single building. That single building can be anything. It can be a school, it can be a college, it can be a hospital, it can be a mall, anything. And the speed of the LAN area network varies from 10 to 100 Mbps. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, another type of computer network. Whereas MAN is confined to a multiple local area networks, which means the area or the range of the MAN type of network is more than LAN and smaller than WAN. MAN network can cover the area of one city, town, or a village, and the best possible example of MAN type of network is local cable channel. Now, the third one, which is the biggest area network called as wide area network. A WAN is a computer network that is spread over a large geographical area. It is confined to multiple LANs and multiple MANs together, and it covers the area like two different cities, countries, and villages. The best example of these kind of area network is internet, which spread across around the world. Now let's move on to computer network architecture. Architecture, as the name suggests, architecture means the design and the layout of something. And in computer network architecture, a computer architecture is a design in which all computers in a computer network are organized in such a manner that all the computers should get maximum advantages out of their server. And in network architecture, there are two basic types of layout or architecture. The very first one is P2P, means peer-to-peer network architecture, and the second is client-server architecture. Let's start with the very first peer-to-peer architecture. In peer-to-peer network architecture, all the computers are connected together for the purpose of sharing data and resources, but there is no central server in peer-to-peer network, which means all the connected computers are node computer and all the connected computers have equal powers. Now move on to the second type of architecture, client-server architecture. Here in client-server architecture, there are two types of computers within the network. One is server. Servers, which are powerful computers that are held in a central location within the network, and the duty of server is to fulfill the request sent by the nodes, and the work or the duty of the node is to send the request for data and for resources to the server. And client computers are also considered as the node or the workstation. Now let's move on to a last topic, WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. Now this local area network is similar to as a LAN, but the only difference is that the moving user can connect to a local area network, and this is the only advantage of this type of network, that it gives user the ability to move around within the area and remain connected to the network, unlike local area network. Now that's it for chapter number 1 about networking. Now let's have a quick recap on the topics, like what is computer network, what are the advantages of network, what is the difference among LAN and WAN, write in brief about WLAN, what is computer architecture and the different type of architectures, and what is the difference between P2P and client server architecture. And it's time to take your leave. We'll be back with next topic. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay home and stay safe.